Hello guys, welcome back to the Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis, technical analysis over on Luckin, ticker LKNCY. So to get straight into it, we are starting to pull back. On the Friday we did close down near enough 7% on the day. So what are going to be key support and resistance levels from where we currently are? So yeah, the close was around 23.75. From a support side, we don't expect too much further to the downside before we get our first potential bounce, and that should be at $23.15. If we end up breaking that, I'm then paying attention to $21.40. And again, if we were able to break that, and really those are going to be the two key supports. The reason for that is obviously that's very close to where we are now. You could potentially use these as a zone, but I mean that is quite a wide zone, so it's probably easier to play them as individual levels. But yeah, really here, this will be kind of a test of whether it's a trend or a reversal. If we bounce off this level, then obviously continue to push to the upside, a lot more chance of a trend continuation. However, if we just get a small bounce, maybe up to $28, and then start to pull back and break below the low of 21, then most likely that's an overall reversal, and we would expect a move further down to around $17.80. If we break that, I'm looking at $15. And then $12.50 as some more supports. Obviously, we do have more supports, but very far from where we are off now. So I don't think there's really too much point for pointing them out as of right now. Now it's gone to more levels. We got 27.50 to around 28.50. Now this is statistical mean between the 6 month and the 1 year. Now, if you've watched this channel before or you understand standard deviation channels, you'll know this is usually a range. If you're trading off technicals, you don't want to be trading in. And the reason for that is this is considered fair value. So obviously with trading, we want some sort of an edge. And maybe unless you're trading a straddle out of here, there isn't really going to be any trading edge. So to me, that would be a target. If I was holding long, that would be kind of my final target. But yeah, I wouldn't be looking to open up any new trades into there. Just use that as a potential target. Now, if we do end up breaking that, we end up breaking our 52-week high, then again, a bit more of a trend, but coming into the 33.80 to around 34.50. This would be our first deviation on both the 6 month and the 1 year. And so the first time we come into it, again, expecting a pullback at a minimum, if not an overall reversal. So that's really how you use these levels. Is the first time we come into them, expect a pullback. If it comes to retest them, then expect a breakthrough. And then what I would be waiting for is a breakthrough, come back to test it as a support. And if that zone can hold, then it's just trading to the target. And in this case, that would be around $39.25 to around $41. So again, we do have more resistances as well. But again, considering current prices, probably isn't much point noting anywhere else apart from here. So really the key thing and main thing I'm watching out for Luckin is, can we hold this $23 to kind of $22 range? If so, then again, it is possible that we break that kind of continued trend. But again, we've got to really wait for that break above 28.50, test it as a support. If it can hold, then a trend continuation is likely. Whereas if we kind of just get a bounce off this level and then push back and kind of retest this level, I would be waiting much more for a break below it, come back to retest it as a resistance. And if that 21 can hold, then looking to play trend to 17.75 is definitely possible. So that is the breakdown over on Luckin. If you enjoyed the video, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video.